Roma told her brother's name to Baleshwar and asked him to call her brother. 14th paragraph. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked, and the driver passed him his phone. Dinesh Tehalraj was wrapping up his day at his marketing job at a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar when his phone rang from a number he didn't recognize. Dinesh bhai, a young voice asked, your sister Roma has fallen off a train when we were taking her to Divine Hospital in Ghonsoli. I am on my way, said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. Now what happened? Baleshwar asked the truck driver to give him his mobile phone, and Baleshwar called the truck driver Chacha. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? So Baleshwar asked the truck driver to give his mobile, and using that mobile, Baleshwar called Dinesh Tehalraj, who was wrapping his work at his marketing job. So it was evening, it seems. Okay. He was winding up his job, and he was in Ulhasnagar, and by calling Dinesh Tehalraj, Baleshwar said that he is taking Roma Tehalraj to hospital, and he told what has happened to Roma Tehalraj, and thereby Dinesh also told that he would come to hospital. So Baleshwar and the truck driver took Roma Tehalraj to hospital called Divine Hospital in Ghonsoli. Roma arrived at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center minutes later. Dr. Anil Agrawal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. He asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. That is when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. Oh, I could not thank him, Baleshwar thought. So after some time, Baleshwar brought Roma to the hospital called Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center, where Dr. Anil Agrawal was a medical director. Seeing the injury that had occurred to Roma, immediately admitted Roma to the hospital, and he admitted to the hospital without any paperwork, and Roma was shifted to ICU. Okay. And by that time what happened? Doctor asked Baleshwar to stay at hospital until Roma's family arrived. After that, the truck driver who helped Baleshwar Mishra to take Roma to hospital, he left the hospital in his truck. So by that time, Baleshwar Mishra felt that I could not thank the truck driver who helped him to bring Roma Thalras to the hospital. 17th paragraph. Roma was still unconscious, but her x-rays showed that although the injuries looked severe, all she needed were deep wounds such as there would be no lasting damage. But Dr. Agrawal believes she could have bled to death had nobody helped her. When she finally opened her eyes that night, her brother and fiance were by her side. She could barely speak, just nodded and fell asleep again. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, Roma was still partly sedated. On his way, Baleshwar had even revisited the spot where Roma had fallen, looking for her belongings because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. Not far from the spot, a railway employee assured Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. So Roma was admitted to hospital. X-rays were taken. So Dr. Agrawal told that there was nothing danger. Though Roma was unconscious, the doctor told that there was nothing danger. Only deep wound stitches were needed. There was no much damage. But Agrawal told that she would have died if no one would have helped her to bring to hospital. And after that, finally Roma opened her eyes that night and she saw her brother Dinesh and fiance Vijay were by her side. She could speak barely. She was unable to speak. Just she nodded her head and fell asleep. Next day, when Baleshwar came to meet her, Roma was still sedated, and before coming to hospital to meet Roma, Baleshwar had gone to the spot where Roma met an accident. Why? Because her brother, Roma's brother Dinesh, asked Baleshwar to see for her cell phone as well as handbag, which were missing. So therefore, Baleshwar Mishra gone to that place where the accident occurred, and there the railway employee assured that some belongings of Roma were there. He gave handbag as well as a cell phone to Baleshwar Mishra. So Baleshwar Mishra took that handbag, cell phone from the railway employee and gave it to Roma. How are you feeling? Baleshwar asked Roma. I am okay, Roma whispered. In a few days, Roma made a full recovery. I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar hadn't been there. She says, amazed to learn of the manner in which she had been rescued. I think it's astonishing that a stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me. I can never repay Baleshwar. I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that people here are afraid, says Baleshwar, who is still looking for a job. They fear getting trapped in the courts or with the police. So, why did you do it? She needed help. Baleshwar puts it simply that it was Roma Tomorrow it could be you or me by the tracks, bleeding and alone. So when Baleshwar reached the hospital, Baleshwar asked Roma how she was feeling. She said that she was okay, she was fine. Later on, after a few days, Roma recovered completely and imagined about how Baleshwar helped her. Really, she felt it was amazing that a stranger has helped her and saved her life. So, a stranger, without thinking of his life, he put his life into risk to help Roma Tehlraj. So, Roma Tehlraj felt that whatever help that was made by Baleshwar, it could not be repaid to Baleshwar because Baleshwar has not done a simple job. He has rescued the life of Roma Tehlraj. Now, Baleshwar speaking to Roma said that I am new to Mumbai. He said that he was new to Mumbai and he has noticed that people are afraid. And he was searching for a job. And he told that people in Mumbai are afraid that they would be trapped in the courts or with the police. So therefore, people have not come forward to help Roma Tehlraj. Then Roma Tehlraj asked Baleshwar why did he do so. He said that at that time she was in need of help, therefore he helped her. And not only that, he said that today it is you. You means here Roma Tehlraj. Tomorrow it could be anybody. It could be me or it could be someone by the tracks, bleeding and alone. So therefore, I have helped Roma Tehlraj. So this is the story about how Baleshwar Mishra helped a stranger, unfamiliar person by name Roma Tehlraj, who was working in a call center. So children, from this lesson we can learn that whenever it is necessary for us to help someone when they are in difficulty, when they are in any problem, at that time definitely we need to help that person who is in need of help. So God has sent us to earth with some purpose. We need to complete that purpose, we need to serve that purpose, and we should spend our life usefully. Okay, usefully. So therefore, whenever you get a chance or an opportunity to help someone, definitely help that person, so that person will remember you forever. So this is all about the story There is a Girl by the Tracks. Okay children, thank you, thanks a lot.